A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Let's have a quick proof. Suppose we have a straight line having the length A. Then we consider a line segment having length B. Similar straight line I am taking here having the length A. And similar line segment I am taking here having the length B. Then what is this remaining length? This length is A, this length is B. So the length remaining here should be A minus B. Similarly, the length here will also be A minus B. This is A minus B, this is A minus B. How this comes A minus B? This total is A, this is B. So this should be A minus B. Now we need A minus B whole square. Then we can think of a square here. Suppose I consider this green area. This side length is A minus B. This is A minus B. So you can treat it as a rectangle or a square. So area of this square is A minus B into A minus B. So writing this A minus B into A minus B. You can treat it square or rectangle, anything. Now, to obtain this area, we have an intuitive thought. This complete area, we know. This complete area is A square. This big one area is A square. From that area A square, if I take out this area, this area, this area, then I'll be remaining with the green area. So let's do it step by step. First of all, I'm removing out this area. This side length is B as well as this side length is B. It means this area is B square. So from the total area A square, we subtract this segment. So from total area square, we subtract this segment, this area. Okay. Now we focus over this part. This area of this rectangle is length into breadth. The length is A minus B for this rectangle and breadth is B. This should also be removed from that area A square. So we can write it like this. Look at this rectangle now. The length is B and the width is A minus B. So the area of this rectangle would be A minus B into B. Subtract that area also. From total area A square, keep out this area and then this area. You will be remaining with that green area which is A minus B whole square. Now simplifying it further. This is A square, this is minus B square. So here the A and B are getting multiplied. So minus AB, minus and minus sign getting multiplied. So it will be plus B square. Similarly, here will be minus AB and this minus and minus getting multiplied. So plus B square is equal to A minus B whole square. Now we can cancel this B square and this B square. So the final result will be A square plus B square minus 2AB. This is how we get A square plus B square minus 2AB is equal to A minus B whole square. Stay awesome.